Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I brought another project for you, and this is called Non-Invasive Load Monitoring System. So basically the idea is to connect a sensor on the main wire and then distribute this electricity to different loads. As you can see, I have attached a light bulb, a motor, and an exhaust fan here, and then the idea is to depending on the current being used, we need to predict what kind of load is operating. So I have used ESP32, which measures, actually it doesn't measure, but it provides the ADC values coming from the current sensor. So we are not actually measuring the current in ampere, but we are just figuring out the waveform. So just raw ADC values coming to the computer, and this is the Python based application I have used to train the model on the dataset, and I converted the dataset into the waveforms and then trained the ACNN model using a base model VGG19. So you can see here I'm going to connect this the port for my ESP32. I hope you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to start this, and you can see the waveform coming from the sensor. So once I operate any load, like I'm gonna turn on the light bulb, you can see its waveform appears here, and you can see the green box just below the bulb icon. You can see indicating that the bulb is operating. Now I'm gonna turn on the fan, and you will see I'm gonna turn on the exhaust fan. You can see, if you can see here, you can see, and here you can see the waveform for that, and also the green box indicating this. Now I'm gonna turn off the light, and I'm gonna turn on the motor. Now fan and motor both are operating, and you can see here. So it's working, but there are some things that it cannot figure out or predict correctly. So if I let the motor operate only, I'm gonna turn off the fan, and you will see I turn off the fan and it's predicting this motor, but sometimes it's saying the bulb is operating. I don't know why. Maybe because it needs more training, or maybe the bulb is too low that it is being detected even if it's not there. And if I turn off the motor, light bulb disappears automatically. Also, when I turn on the fan, again light bulb appears for a second and then disappears. So this is a little improved, but the motor is showing something they shouldn't.